Is the Poppo Live app lagging or acting up? Clearing the cache can help. Let me show you how to do it quickly. Start by opening your phone's settings. Once you're in the settings menu, scroll down and tap on Apps or App Management, depending on your device. Next, select Manage Apps. In the search bar at the top, type in Poppo Live, then tap on it from the search results to open the app info page. Now tap on Storage. At the bottom of this screen, you'll see a small eraser icon. This represents the option to clear data. Tap on it. A pop-up will appear with two options, Clear Cache and Clear Data. Make sure you only tap Clear Cache, then confirm by selecting OK. That's it. The app's cache is now cleared, which should help with performance or minor bugs. If this helped, give it a like and let us know in the comments if you ran into any issues. And if you're new here, feel free to subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss a helpful tip.